Make sure you stay warm, breakdown free, and save money on your heating bills. In Sheffield, Doncaster, Rotherham, Chesterfield and Barnsley. Get Birtles Plumbing and Heating to check over your central heating before anything goes wrong. We install and repair boilers and heating systems from major manufacturers, including Vaillant, Baxi, Vocera and Halstead, providing plumbing repairs and complete bathroom installations. If you're a landlord needing a safety certificate, we're also qualified for electrical fault finding and installations. So, that's a welcome bit of peace of mind. You can find details at plumbing-sheffield.com or call us in an emergency at Birtles Plumbing and Heating.